Hey guys, I received a new order from Tonic that I wanted to share with you. Um, they have been on the slow side, shipping out orders. So I think I ordered this one like the first week of January, and it just came in a couple of days ago. But I'm excited that I got it. And it's the newest Stamp Club, number 17, and it's called So Happy Die and Stamp Showcase. So let's take a look at the stamps. It's got a little stitching, a zipper foot, like stitching, a ruler, thread, says cute as a button, you are, I love you, ketchup on mine, tailor-made just for you, thanks, so happy, we're friends, so much, beyond measure. It's got a little label, a little hanger. Let's take it out of the sleeve so we can see. Or not. There we go. Not sure what it's stuck on. All right, well, that was fun. Okay, let's see if we can get it. There we go. Okay. Little pin cushion, button, little purse, thread, shoes, a little heart button, a hat, scissors, and a little clothespin. So that's the stamp set. And then the die set has a zipper, buttons, looks like a pin cushion that you put on your wrist, a dress form, scissors, button, thimble, thread, safety pin, dress, hat, needle. Not sure what, this must be the ribbon. This must go with this ribbon here. The bow, I mean. Button. So, and it's got this sewing machine. So let's get this open. Right. So I thought we could cut out a few of the dies to see what they look like. Especially this sewing machine here. So let's give that a try. Let's see. Maybe the zipper. I'm not sure. See if I have some black scrap. Oh, I might have some right here, actually. Yeah. There's some black. So let's go ahead and cut out the sewing machine. It reminds me of the old Singer sewing machines. But to make it look authentic, we would have to cut it a couple of times so that we could get some of the silver kind of brass colors. I didn't have anything in my stash that has anything to do with sewing. So I was excited when I saw this. hopefully that'll stay just where it's supposed to be. Let me see if I can bring this over. This folder is getting really bad. Look at how pretty. Let's get a light color. Look at how pretty that is. It's got the thread going through the machine to the needle. That's just so pretty. So cute. I like that. And then, all right, let me get rid of this stuff. And we could do it with a background too of a different color. But I like the black. All right, so I want to see this zipper. See if I get this back in here properly. There we go. Let's try this zipper. I think this zipper would be cool with a piece of paper, and then have another piece of paper under, you know, another, like a pattern paper, and then another piece underneath it, like we were unzipping one to the other. I don't know if that makes sense. So let's use a little pattern paper. On this. And see. All right. Let's see how this cuts out. All right, see, so if we finished this, I should have that to the top of the paper. Yeah, if I had it at the top of the paper, then it would look better. Let's try that again. Let's try it to the top of the paper. Let's try it right like that. I'm going to put a little bit of tape on this just so it doesn't move. there. All right, let's try this again. So let me know in comments whether you bought this Stamp Club this month or not. And if you've used it yet. All right, there we go. Isn't that cute? Looks like we just unzipped the paper. That would make a really cute card. I'll have to use that. It's got the little teeth and it's got the little stitching right there. So very cute. I really like that. All right, so we've got, oh, let's do the dress form. Let's do the dress form. You can cut the dress form out and then cut the dress and stamp it. Oh, yeah, it just came right off. Hold on. All right. Let's do the dress form. Let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna have to tape that one down too. It's kind of slippery. All right, let's give this one a try. I'm using the marquee because it fits all of these and it cuts very smoothly. It cuts everything out quite nicely too. There's this one little piece that wants to hang on. There we go. All right, look at how cute that is. So cute. There's a lot of cute pieces in here for all kinds of different cards and stuff. So you don't have to be a sewer to use it or send it to a sewer. It's just really cute. I like it. I like it a lot. And it's different. It's unique. Like I said, I personally don't have anything like this in my stash. And Lord knows I have a big stash. So, all right, so that's it. I'm happy that I got it. I think it's worth the money. Let me get the little sewing machine, if it will cooperate. So we got the little sewing machine and the little dress form we cut out. And then the little scissor part, or zipper part, which is so cute. So, all right, well, that's it. Stamp Club number 17. I like it. I think it was worth it. If you don't have anything in your stash like this, Stamp Club is, I think, what's 34, oh, $36.99. I think it used to be 34, so it must have gone up a couple of dollars. As everything is in the craft world for some reason, or not, we know the reason. Because everything's going up with this shortage and stuff. So crafting is getting more and more expensive. So, all right, so that's it. Stamp Club 17. I like it. Let me know in the comments if you got it, if you like it, if you've used it. I also got the Designer's Choice this month, which will be another video shortly. So until the next time, stay safe, stay well. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.